Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video we will learn how we can able to blur the faces in the running video. Yes, sometimes we have to blur some faces which comes in the video which they do not want. So I'm going to tell you two tricks how you can able to do it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now the first trick which I have, that is through the application. You can install this application. Name is Put Mask Hide Faces in the Video. Simply click on open and open this one, and this application is very easy to use. Here once you open this application, it will be open up like this. Simply click on this select the gallery, and when you click on select gallery, you will be getting your videos. You have to select the video which you want to blur. Let's suppose if I select this video here and click on this continue on the bottom, and in this video we have two faces. So I'm gonna blur the one face of this girl, but in this application you can blur the two faces as well, and in this application you can blur as many as faces as well. So here what is the process? Simply you have to click on this detect faces, and it will start detecting the faces here. It founds two faces here. Click on OK, and then click on this select all, and then click on this start tracking. The moment you click on this start tracking, it will start tracking their faces and start checking their movement as well. Wherever they move, it will start moving automatically, and you can see on the bottom the panel is also in the editor panel. It's also moving right now. It's detecting right now both the faces, and then after that you can click on this detect faces, and after that if you want to delete any of the face from the video, you can select any one of them and click on delete, and it will get deleted. Now this face is being blurred right now. You can start moving it, and you can see this one, the number one, the girl face is blurred right now in this video. And after that, once everything will be done, you can click on this export and export the file from here, and it will take a minute to get it export properly on your phone. And now the video is being saved here. You can see this one. This is the video which we have just made, and the face in this video is being blurred right now of this girl. This is properly blurred here, and you can see in this video. So this is an amazing application to blur the faces in the video just with few clicks. This is the trick number one. Now in the second trick, you will see that if we have uploaded a video on our YouTube, then how we can able to blur the faces in the running video. So what we need to do, we just have to select the video. Let's suppose if I select this video here, I have to click on this icon here, details. On the left side you will be getting an option here, editor. You can click on this one. In this editor part here, you will be getting an option of blur. You can click on this blur, and you will be getting two options here, that you can blur the face here and then the custom blur. If you have faces in the video, then you can click on this face blur, and you can blur the faces in the video just by clicking on this face blur. And in the custom blur, you can click on this one, and you will be getting a rectangle here. See this? This is the rectangle which you will be getting, and wherever you want to put this rectangle here in this video, you can do it. Let's suppose there is a bottle in the video. I want to hide this bottle. We can also put it here and hide this video and make it blur, or you can also blur the faces as well with this. That can also be done, or you can also choose this oval option. This will blur your faces like this. So this is also an amazing feature of YouTube to blur the faces even if your video is being uploaded on YouTube. And once you blur the face in the video, then you can click on this save, and your video will get saved here, and it will get blurred properly. So this is an amazing feature of YouTube. You should try this one if you have already uploaded the video on YouTube. So these are the two options I have to blur the faces in the video in your phone and on YouTube. So I hope you like both of them. I will be putting the link of this application in the description. You can check it from there. Any questions, simply comment below, and we will surely get back to you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.